She's distant now. Fewer texts, less warmth. Her laugh feels like it's for someone else. And your mind? It's panicking. Did I do something wrong? Is she losing interest? Stop. Breathe. When a woman pulls away, most men chase. They double text. They plan surprise visits. They try to win her back with gifts and validation. But chasing kills attraction faster than any mistake. Part 1. Why she's pulling away. It's not always another man. Sometimes it's her testing your emotional control. Sometimes it's life stress. Sometimes it's because she's craving space to see how much you value yourself without her attention. And here's the harsh truth. If her little distance makes you unravel, she learns that your confidence was just an act. Part 2. The Stoic response. When she pulls away, you pull into yourself. You focus on your work, your health, your mission. You let her wonder where your energy went. You remain kind, but not clingy. Available, but not desperate. Because a woman respects the man who respects himself enough to not beg for her presence. Part 3. The psychology behind it. If people value what's scarce. If you flood her with constant attention when she's pulling away, you confirm she can have you without effort. But if you give her space, she starts to miss your energy. She replays your moments. She wonders if she's losing you. That's when curiosity turns into attraction again. Part 4. The unbreakable rule. If she pulls away and you chase, you train her to keep doing it. If she pulls away and you stand tall, you train her to respect you. So, when you feel that panic rising, don't react. Observe. Detach. Remember, the man who doesn't need her attention will always have the most of it.